Welcome to my tutorial on Gleam Labs Cosmetics Odorless Nail Liquid. Today I'm going to be demonstrating using the odorless nail liquid and using clear powder to do a one-colored sculptured nail. Odorless monomer is great for spas, salons, and schools as there's virtually no odor to it. In my dapping dish, I've already poured my monomer. And in my powder container here, I have my clear powder. I have my hand already prepared with a nail tip and a form. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is dip my brush all the way into the bottom of my monomer to get the air bubbles out. And then I'm going to wipe it gently on the back. Then I'm going to pull it across the surface of my powder to pick up my first ball. It's going to have a slightly grainy appearance. It's not going to be all smooth and wet like traditional monomer. And I'm going to roll it off, and then I'm going to dry my brush. I'm then going to start moving my acrylic around to form the free edge of my nail. Now you'll notice that it didn't run all over everywhere. It stayed pretty much where I placed it so that I could shape my free edge. I'm going to wipe my brush again. Anytime you see it picking up little bits of the powder and acrylic, then you want to wipe your brush. The important thing with doing odorless is to keep your brush very, very clean. So that's my first ball. I'm going to wipe my brush out. I'm going to go into my monomer again. I'm going to wipe it off gently on the back, pull across the surface of the powder once again to pick up a ball, and I'm going to place this one in the middle of the nail plate, wipe off my brush once again, and I'm going to press this to move it, and I'm going to stroke it to smooth it out and blend it into the first ball. I want to make sure I keep this off of the side walls. And off of the skin. Once again, I'm going to wipe my brush out. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is going to go in again and I'm going to wipe my brush out a little bit more this time because I just need a small ball to go back by the cuticle area. So I'm going to pick up a small ball. I'm going to roll it off into the cuticle area. I'm going to dry my brush again very thoroughly. I'm going to press it to move it and stroke it to smooth it out, keeping it off of the cuticle in the back and making sure that I keep it off of the side walls. And I'm just kind of shaping it a little bit more, and I'm going to stroke it down to blend in all the balls together. Then I'm going to look at it from the side to see if I'm getting the shape of the nail. I'm looking for the finished shape. So then this has to dry. Traditional monomer air cures. And as it air cures, it releases the vapors into the air. Odorless monomer is heavier. And it is not an ethyl methacrylate. It's a different form. So it's a little bit more oily. So what's happening as it's drying or curing, it is evaporating very slowly into the air. So that's how it's virtually odorless. People don't really notice a smell with it because it's not that harsh chemical smell. The difference also is that acrylic air cures and becomes very hard. Odorless stays shiny on top. You can see that this has a shiny appearance to it. So you have to figure out if it's dry or not, because it has what we call an oxygen inhibition layer or a dispersion layer that it's going to be filed off. So what you want to do is you want to take your brush and you want to tap it and see if it makes a clicking sound. And that's how you know that the nail is ready to be filed. So I'm going to move my liquid and powder out of the way and my table towel because you don't want to file over that. I'm going to get my file and I'm going to put my brush away and I'm going to gently take my form off because we don't want to disturb the free edge there. Okay. Double check once again to make sure it's ready. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to file our sidewall. Then we're going to file our free edge. And then what you want to do is you want to take your file and you want to roll across the top. And you can see that there is powder that is being rolled off. That's the inhibition or the oxygen inhibition layer or dispersion layer that is rolling off. You're going to file all of that off till the nail is nice and smooth on top. Then you can do your traditional filing and shaping like you would with a regular acrylic nail. You want to check your nail from the sides to make sure that the nail is level and smooth on top. I'm filing what we call the lower arch here and the free edge. Then I'm going to take my buffing block and I'm going to go over the surface of the nail. Then I'm going to remove my ridges. Then I'm going to buff it. And then I'm going to shine it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a little water on this to remove the dust from the nail. So here is the completed nail. If you have any questions about Gleam Labs cosmetic, odorless liquid monomers and powders, you can contact Giel, GIELL.com, or call 877-554-2877. Thank you for joining me.